Coming to this question, that is a model question paper. In that they have given prove that cosecant 90 minus theta minus sine 90 minus theta, and then you have cosecant theta minus sine theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 1. What we have to prove? So we will take the left hand side. Left hand side is equals to cosecant 90 minus theta and minus sine 90 minus theta. And remember, when you are writing anything, no, put that bracket properly, otherwise it will make the big difference. And the sign also you have to put it correctly, otherwise it will be again you are not going to get the correct answer. So left hand side we have taken down, and now we have to solve this. And remember, always this is complementary angle. Cosecant 90 minus theta is complement. The cosecant theta is complement with the what? Secant, sec theta. Okay, so these are complement. Complement means, you know, if you add the two angles, you must get it 90 degree. So this type of question I have solved yesterday, some of application of trigonometry that you might have seen. Okay, that you have seen means it is good. So this one cosecant 90 minus theta is the secant theta, sec theta it is. So first one complementary angle. Sine 90 minus theta, once again we have sine 90 minus theta is sine and cos are complementary. Sine and cos are complementary theta, so it is cos theta. So these two, how it came, you understood, I think, by using the complementary. Clear? So next we will move further. So complementary theta we have learned. So next we are moving further, and cosecant minus sine theta we have, tan and cot theta we have. So here what we have to do is write it in terms of sine and cos. So cosecant theta, write it down in terms of sine. So it is 1 by sine. It is 1 by sine theta. So that is the properly you have to write. Next we have sine theta. Don't do anything. Sine theta as it is you write down. So it is already in terms of sine. So next we have tan, that you write down as a sine by cos, because sine by cos is a tan. So cot is nothing but cos by sine. Okay, everything we have converted in terms of sine and cos, leaving first one, that is the secant. That is also we will do now. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos, and that is minus cos theta. And next everything we can multiply and you can find the answer. So that is nothing but taking the LCM. So it will be sine theta is LCM. So 1 into 1 is 1, sine into sine is minus sine square theta. So this is the first bracket we will put. Second bracket we have here LCM is cos and sine and cos is LCM. So I will write on sine theta into cos theta, both are the LCM. So sine into sine will be sine square theta, and cos into cos is cos square theta. So after taking the LCM, we got this much. And now very importantly, we have to go through the identity. So before that, one more we will solve this. Here also you have to take the LCM. So it will be cos theta is LCM. So cos theta, 1 into 1 is 1, minus cos into cos is cos square theta. Put to the bracket, and I will remove this lower bracket now. So it will be now. Very importantly, here we have 1 minus sine square theta. What is that 1 minus sine square theta? You have learned sine square theta plus cos square theta, that identity number 1, that is equals to 1. So we can make little bit changes over here. It is nothing but yes, cos square theta we can write down here, and 1 we can keep it, and sine square we can shift that side, it will become minus sine square theta. Very good. So it is 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So I can write it down this 1 minus sine square theta as a cos square theta. This whole thing what I have here, that I have written in terms of cos square theta divided by, we have sine theta only, write down sine theta as it is. Now similar thing, sine square theta plus cos square theta we have, sine square theta cos square theta is nothing but 1. So substitute that value as 1 divided by sine theta into cos theta. And the bracket is nothing but multiplication. So 1 minus cos square theta, similar rule we will take. So we have to write down sine square theta as it is, 1 as it is. Cos square theta I am shifting that side, it will become minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. So here we got 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta, that we have to substitute in this position. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta divided by cos theta into cos square theta divided by sin theta into 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now very importantly, cancelling. This is a very important, and you know this how to cancel and everything. Cos square theta we have here, we have 2 cos theta into cos theta. So 1 cos square cos theta and 1 cos theta I will cancel, and 1 more cos theta and this cos theta I can cancel because in between I have into. So square we have, so below denominators are 2 cos theta, means cos theta into cos theta cos square theta, it will get cancelled. Similarly, here you have sin theta and square, it will get cancelled, and 1 more sin theta and this whole sin theta will get cancelled. So remaining is 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So left hand side is 1, and they have told us to prove the right hand side also 1 itself, and you can go it little bit up and you can see the final answer must be 1 here, and we have already got 1 as the answer. I hope you have understood this. Any doubt if you have, you can ask me, not a problem.